Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. How are your Ramzan fast are going? Are they going good or very good? Good. No means very good. Because you all have many times to work, to sleep, to play, and to other work also. So please help your mothers in everything. Do not tease your brother and sister. Okay. Give enough time to your studies also and for the playing also. Okay, students. So students, coming to the topic. Today is our science class. What we have done in the last class, was that interesting? Interesting था वो बेटा? क्या आप लोगों ने देखा कि किस तरह सर्किट बनते हैं? सिंपल सर्किट, दिस वाज द सिंपल सर्किट. किस तरह बनते हैं? 4 कंपोनेंट्स है. आई होप सब लोगों को पसंद आया होगा और सब इंशाल्लाह बनाकर मुझे व्हाट्सएप करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. देयर इज नो सो मेनी थिंग्स रिक्वायर्ड फॉर इट. जो आपके पास अवेलेबल है, यू कैन ऑल्सो मेक विद दिस, विद दैट. ओके. सो स्टूडेंट्स, कैन यू टेल मी, are we and the humans and the animals are the only living things on the earth? Humans and animals are the only living things on the earth? No. Yes, answer will be no, because the humans and the animals are not only the living things on the earth, but the plant are also living things on the earth. Okay. Plants make our environment very beautiful, isn't it? Yes, because they give us oxygen and take inside carbon dioxide. And what we do? We take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Okay. So that make our environment clean also. Okay. So students, today we are going to read about the animal plant world. What we are going to read? About the plant world. Plants are not, I have told you that are living things. They need water, food, like animals and humans. But the difference is that it cannot move. They cannot move. Plant can move, animals and human can move. Okay. Just as there are many different types of animals, there have many different characteristics. In the same way, there are many types of plants also. Okay. There are many types of plants. Some plants are give us food, some give us flower. Which is your favorite plant, beta? Which is your favorite plant? Everyone has different favorite plants. Okay. Some like, some plant give us vegetables, some give us fruits, some give us flowers. Okay. Many of us has planted many plants in our home also. आप बताते हैं ना मुझे कि टीचर मैंने ये वाला प्लांट लगाया है, टीचर मैंने ये वाला प्लांट लगाया है. Say from that we can get fresh vegetables, fruits from the home. We don't have to go outside to buy it or purchase it. Okay. Plants also make our environment so much beautiful. Okay. It is very difficult something to decide that which is our favorite plant. As similar to plants, tree also have many benefits. They give us shades from the sun. Okay. And we can say this the flowers are many beautiful, they are so many colorful. It means that it gives a life to our world. Okay. Can you do one thing for me? Can you draw a plant of your which you like the most? This is your homework, and what you have to do, you have to read this chapter, the plant world, and the topic is germination. Germination. I will explain you today something you all have to read, and tomorrow I will ask the question and or give the fill in the blanks to you to solve by with your own. Okay. Now, students, what we will do with germination. Germination is a process where a seed or spore start growing and becomes a plant. They start from the seed. Start from the seed. It's mean it's a life cycle. We can say it's a life cycle of a plant where the seed change into different levels and become a plant. Okay. This first stage, how many stages are there mostly to become a plant? There are 4 stages to become a plant. Okay. The process of a plant changing from a seed into a fully grown plant is known as the life cycle. Okay. Life cycle means how its life cycle changed and its seeds changed to into seed with roots and shoots. All have different stages. Okay, today we will discuss all these things, then tomorrow I will ask to you, or I will give you some blanks to fill by your own. Okay, students, how many stages are there in a life cycle of plant? There are 4 stages in a life cycle of plant. Okay, the first one is seed. Look, when we put seed in the soil and we put soil on the seed. Okay, the life cycle of a plant begins with a seed which is produced by an adult plant. एडल्ट प्लांट से निकलती जो सीड्स हम फ्रूट्स वगैरह से जो हमें मिलती हैं वो हम सीड के तौर पर, बीज के तौर पर इसको यूज करते हैं और हम इसको जमीन के अंदर डाल देते हैं, यानी सॉइल खाद के अंदर इसको डाल देते हैं. द सीड, व्हाट द सीड नीड्स, यानी वो ग्रो करना अंडरग्राउंड स्टार्ट करता है. व्हाट द सीड नीड्स वाटर एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. बेटा hear it properly. Tomorrow I will give the questions of or blanks of it. Okay, nutrients are the minerals and vitamins that help things grow. Means nutrients are what everyone needs. I think we also need this. Nutrients means minerals or vitamins, यानी वो ताकत की चीजें जो हम खाते हैं उसमें से जो मिनरल्स और विटामिन्स निकलते हैं वो हमें बढ़ने में मदद देते हैं. That they needs, that helps things to grow. Okay, this is the first stage. Which is the first stage? The first stage is seed. Okay, our life, the life cycle of a plant starts with a seed. When we will put the seed, the plant will start to grow. If we will not put the seed, there will be no plant. Okay, so first stage there is the seed which we have put in the soil or under the ground. Now the second stage is seed with roots and shoots. When we put the seed under the ground and when it receives the water and nutrients in the right amount, the seed starts to grow and the roots and shoot spread into the ground. Okay, the plant can't be moved easily and the shoot break through the surface of the earth. जो रूट्स होती हैं वो पूरी जमीन के अंदर फैल जाती है और जो शूट है तो वो फटकर बाहर निकलता है जमीन से. ठीक है, seed with roots and shoots. This is the second stage of life cycle of plant. ठीक है, now the third one is plant with leaves. The third stage is plant with leaves. After the plant breaks through the earth, yani when it's come out of the ground, it gets sunlight. इसके बाद जब वो जमीन से निकलता है, what does it need? It needs sunlight. Sunlight, what happens when it takes sunlight? When it takes sunlight, it will grow. Then it now grow, what it will grow? It will grow a new leaves. पत्ते आने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. तो बेटा मैंने आपको उर्दू में भी हमारा ये टॉपिक हो चुका है कि आप पौधे लगाएं. इस तरह हम लोगों ने इसका पूरा प्रोसीजर हम पढ़ चुके हैं. तो कोशिश करें कि एक घर में एक प्लांट लगा दें और उसकी आप तारीख और ये दिन देखते जाएं कि आपने सीड किस तारीख को डाला और किस डेट को उसमें से पौधा निकलना स्टार्ट हुआ. It will be a good experience to you. Okay. Now, after the third stage of life cycle of plant with leaf, we will move to the fourth one. Fourth one is when the leaves come, then the flowers will also get to start. Some are the plants of fruits, some are of flowers, and some of vegetables. Okay. Now, when a plant is fully grown, it produces food. जब वो पूरी तरीके से उग जाता है, वो क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है? Flowers where the seeds are produced. The seeds are scattered by wind or some other means and start growing in the earth. इसी तरीके से ये इसकी जो सीड्स होते हैं वो हर जगह विंड्स और अदर मीन से हर जगह फैल जाते हैं जमीन पर और फिर वो उगने लग जाते हैं. इसी तरह ये लाइफ साइकिल बढ़ता जाता है, बनता जाता है. ठीक है. दिस इज द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ अ प्लांट. So students, this is your homework. You have to go through it. Tomorrow I will ask the questions or I will give some questions or fill the blank to solve it by yourself. How many stages we have learned today? Today we have learned the germination. Germination is the process where the plants start from the seed and grow into a plant. Okay. There are the 4 stages of the life cycle of plant. Number 1 is seed. Number 2 is seed with roots and shoots. Number 3 is plant with leaves and plant with flowers. Okay, student, you all have to read this from your home. Please do good preparation for this. Then I will give you the ask you some questions and fill the blanks to solve by yourself. Okay, please remember to read. Okay, don't forget it. So students, take care. This was for the today's class. So take good care of yourself and your family and remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.